Sagutan natin tong problems. Solve the following quadratic equations. So let's start with 1. X squared minus 25 is equal to 0. So, pwede muna nating i-transpose itong negative 25 sa kanan. So, magiging x squared is equal to, sa pag nilipat yung negative 25 from left to right, magiging opposite yung sign niya from negative, magiging positive 25 na siya sa kanan. And then, to solve for x, alisin natin yung square by getting the square root of both sides. Okay, so pag kinuha niyo yung square root ng x squared, automatic, ang sagot dito will be x. So makakancel niyo yung exponent niya na 2 kasi ni-raise natin yan equivalently to 1/2. Okay? So, bale, magiging x is equal to, so lalagyan nyo to ng plus minus yung square root ng 25. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang solution, isang positive tsaka isang negative na square root ng 25. So ano ba yung square root ng 25? 5, right? Kasi ano yung i-square mo para ang sagot is 25, that is 5. So therefore, meron tayong two solutions as expected sa quadratic equations. It will have at most two solutions. So in this problem, we have x is equal to, so pwede nyo kuhain yung positive 5, and then x is equal to, kuhain nyo yung negative 5. So we have x is 5 or negative 5. For number 2, we have 2x squared plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, transpose muna natin tong positive 5 sa kanan. So, magiging 2x squared is equal, copy itong 7, and then, from positive 5 sa kaliwa, magiging negative 5 na siya sa kanan. And then, simplify natin yung right side, subtract 7 minus 5, that will be 2. And then, copy yung left side na 2x squared. So, ngayon, may coefficient si x squared na 2. Bago natin kuhaan yung square root of both sides, kailangan muna nating eliminate itong coefficient niya na 2. We can do that by dividing both sides by 2 para makancel. So, bale, magiging x squared na lang is equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. Then, tsaka natin kukuhaan yung square root of both sides. So, square root ng x squared, x na lang. And then, lalagyan ito ng plus minus. So, square root ng 1, that will be 1, plus minus. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa uli yung solution natin. X is equal to positive 1 or x is equal to negative 1. For number 3, we have 4 times quantity x squared minus 2 is equal to x squared minus 7. So, dito sa left side, i-distribute muna natin tong 4. So, multiply natin yung 4 times x squared, 4x squared. Then, 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Then, copy yung right side equals x squared minus 7. Ngayon, ililipat natin itong negative 8, yung constant sa kanan, itatranspose. Tapos, itong x squared, ililipat ko rin or itatranspose ko rin from right to left para makombine naman siya dito sa 4x squared. So, bale, magiging 4x squared. So, ililipat yung x squared, tatranspose sa kaliwa. So, positive yung sign niya sa kanan. Magiging minus x squared siya sa kaliwa. Equals, so copy muna tong negative 7 sa kanan. Then, itatranspose yung negative 8 sa kanan. From negative 8 sa kaliwa, magiging positive 8 na siya sa kanan. Okay? So, magiging 4x squared minus x squared sa kaliwa. Bale, 4 minus 1, that will be 3x squared. Equals, negative 7 plus 8, that will be positive 1. Okay? So, before we get the square root of both sides, alisin muna natin yung coefficient ni x squared na 3. Divide natin both sides by 3. So, cancel. Matitira is x squared equals 1/3. Then, tsaka natin kuhain yung square root ng both sides. So, bali, square root ng x squared, x na lang. And then, ito is magiging plus minus square root ng 1/3. So, pwede nyo actually i-distribute yung square root sa taas saka sa baba. So, magiging square root ng 1 over square root ng 3. Or, x should be equal to plus minus yung square root ng 1, that's 1, over yung square root ng 3. So, hindi perfect square yung 3. So, leave nyo na lang as is. So, the final answer is x is equal to plus minus 1 over square root of 3. Or, pag sineparate natin into two answers, we have positive 1 over square root of 3 or x is negative 1 over square root of 3. Next, number 4, we have x plus 1 squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, lipat muna natin sa negative 16 sa kanan, transpose. So, magiging x plus 1 squared, retain lang sa kaliwa, then equal to positive 16. So, ngayon, pwede nyo nang kuhain yung square root ng both sides. Okay? This time, pag in-square root natin yung x plus 1 squared, makakancel nyo yung square nitong base natin na x plus 1. Okay, so matitira is x plus 1. Okay, kanina, puro x lang. Pero this time, yung base kasi natin na naka-square is a binomial. So therefore, ang matitira sa atin is yung mismong base na binomial kapag in-square root natin both sides. Okay? Tapos lalagyan natin ito ng plus minus sa kanan. Bale, plus minus square root ng 16. Yan, eksakto yan. That's equal to 4. Okay? Ngayon, isosolve pa natin yung x dito. Itatranspose natin si positive 1 sa kanan. So, magiging x is equal to plus minus 4 minus 1. So, pag in-split natin yung solutions into 2, so x is equal to, so kuhanin muna yung positive 4, then minus 1, or yung isa naman, kuhain nyo yung negative 4 minus 1. So, simplify natin. 4 minus 1, that's 3. Or x is equal to negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. So the two solutions are positive 3 and negative 5. Next, for number 5, 3x minus 2 quantity squared plus 1 equals 10. Okay, so isolate muna natin itong positive 1, transpose natin sa kanan. So bale magiging 3x minus 2 squared equals 10 minus 1. Simplify natin yung 10 minus 1, that's 9. Then copy yung nasa left side, 3x minus 2 quantity squared. Yan, pwede na natin kuhain yung square root ng both sides. So, makakancel natin tong square. Matitira is itong binomial base na 3x minus 2. Parang dun sa previous problem. Okay? Tapos, kuhain natin tong square root ng 9. Lagyan nyo ng plus minus ha. So, plus minus square root ng 9, 3. Okay. Tapos, isasolve natin yung x. Transpose natin si negative 2 sa kanan, magiging 3x is equal to plus minus 3 plus 2. Tapos, eliminate natin yung coefficient ni x na 3. Pwede nyo pang i-divide both sides by 3. So, cancel si 3, magiging x is equal to plus minus 3 plus 2 over 3. Ngayon, paghihiwalayin natin yung two solutions. So, unang solution will be x is equal to, so kuha nyo yung positive 3 muna, then copy yung plus 2 over 3. Tapos yung isang solution, kuha nyo naman yung negative 3, then copy yung plus 2 over 3. Tapos simplify natin. So 3 plus 2, that's 5 over 3. Wala nang lowest term. So yan na yung isang solution. Tapos sa isa naman, negative 3 plus 2, that will be negative 1 over 3. So the two solutions are 5/3 and negative 1/3. Next, for number 6 naman, we have 5 times 4x plus 1 squared plus 3 equals 18. Okay, transpose muna natin itong positive 3 sa kanan. So may iwan si 5 times quantity 4x plus 1 squared sa kaliwa equals 18 minus 3. So, 18 minus 3, magiging 15. Tapos, copy itong 5 times quantity 4x plus 1 squared. So, bago natin kuhain yung square root ng both sides, meron coefficient kasi itong 4x plus 1 squared na 5. Eliminate muna natin by dividing both sides by that coefficient 5. So, makakancel yan. matitira is 4x plus 1 squared equals 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Right? Okay, ngayon pwede na natin kuhaan yung square root ng both sides. So, bali makakancel itong square, yung 4x plus 1, matitira is 4x plus 1 na lang. Tapos, lagyan nyo ito ng plus minus. Ano yung square root ng 3? So, hindi siya perfect square. Pag hindi perfect square, sulat nyo na lang as is, so square root of 3. Tapos, isa-solve natin si x dito, transpose nyo si positive 1 sa kanan, so magiging 4x is equal to plus minus square root of 3 minus 1. Then, eliminate the coefficient ni x na 4, divide both sides by 4. So, cancel. X is equal to plus minus square root of 3 minus 1 over 4. Ngayon, pag in-split nyo yung two solutions, so una will be, kuhain nyo yung positive muna. So, positive square root of 3, then copy, minus 1 over 4. One solution. Hindi nyo naman na ito masisimplify. So, ito na agad yon. Or, x is equal to, so kaya nyo naman yung negative square root of 3, then copy minus 1 over 4. Hindi na rin masisimplify, so ito na yung second solution. So the two answers are square root of 3 minus 1 over 4 and negative square root of 3 minus 1 over 4. Okay, kayo naman. Try to solve this quadratic equation for x and just comment your answers.